Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy lobster mac and cheese. First, ensure you have about 8 ounces of cooked lobster meat, either fresh or pre-cooked. Next, boil 8 ounces of pasta, such as elbow macaroni, until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, begin preparing your creamy cheese sauce, which is the heart of this delicious dish. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly indulgent meal. Now, let's create that irresistible cheese sauce. Start by melting 4 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Whisk in 4 tablespoons of flour to form a smooth roux, cooking it for about 1 minute. Slowly pour in 2 cups of whole milk, continuously stirring until the mixture thickens nicely. Finally, add 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheeses, such as sharp cheddar and Gruyere, stirring until completely melted and creamy. This forms the luxurious base for your mac and cheese. With your cheese sauce ready, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold the cooked lobster meat into the warm, creamy cheese sauce. Then, add your al dente pasta, ensuring every piece is thoroughly coated in that rich, cheesy goodness. Transfer this delightful mixture into a baking dish, approximately 9 by 13 inches. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or until bubbly and golden brown. Once baked, let your magnificent lobster mac and cheese rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This allows the sauce to set perfectly. Garnish with some fresh parsley or chives for a touch of color and extra flavor. You've just created a restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. And hey, while you're enjoying this amazing meal, remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.